Welcome to Agriculture Discover. Among the world's major pistachio producers, the United States stands at the top, and California is the undisputed heart of the industry. Vast orchards stretch across the Central Valley, where climate, soil, and technology come together to produce pistachios on a massive scale. In recent years, California alone has accounted for more than 99% of U.S. pistachio output, supplying markets across the globe. In peak seasons, American farmers harvest over 1 billion pounds of pistachios, generating billions of dollars in revenue. But behind these impressive numbers lies a long, carefully managed journey, one that begins years before the first nut is ever picked. Today, we take you inside that journey, from orchard planning to harvest processing, and finally, the pistachios that reach store shelves worldwide. Unlike many crops, pistachio harvest happens within a narrow window. In California, harvesting typically begins in late August and continues through September, when daytime heat is intense but early mornings remain cool. Farmers time the harvest carefully. If pistachios are picked too early, the shells may not split properly. Too late, and quality declines. Experienced growers monitor shell split, kernel maturity, and moisture levels daily to determine the exact moment to begin. Harvesting usually starts at dawn. Cooler temperatures help protect nut quality and reduce stress on workers and machinery. Once the decision is made, the entire orchard must be harvested quickly, often within just 2 to 3 weeks. In modern U.S. pistachio farming, harvesting is almost entirely mechanized. Specialized pistachio harvesters move between rows of mature trees, gripping each trunk with padded clamps. In seconds, the machine delivers a controlled shake, powerful enough to release ripe pistachios without damaging the tree. The nuts fall into a catch frame that wraps around the trunk, preventing contact with the ground. Leaves, twigs, and debris are separated immediately, while the pistachios are transferred into onboard bins. This system allows a single machine to harvest hundreds of trees per day, something impossible with manual labor alone. Mechanization not only improves speed and efficiency, but also ensures consistency across massive orchards spanning thousands of acres. Once collection bins are full, pistachios are quickly transferred to transport trucks, beginning the next critical phase of the journey. Speed is everything after harvest. Fresh pistachios must reach processing facilities within hours to prevent staining, mold growth, or quality loss. In California, most orchards are located close to centralized processing plants, allowing rapid transport. Upon arrival, loads are weighed, sampled, and inspected. Any delay at this stage can affect the final product, so processing facilities operate around the clock during peak harvest weeks. Freshly harvested pistachios arrive with their outer hulls intact. These soft hulls must be removed quickly to protect the shell and kernel inside. High-capacity hulling machines strip away hulls, while powerful air systems remove leaves, sticks, and other debris. The pistachios then move through washing channels, where rotating drums and clean water gently scrub the shells. This stage is designed not only for cleanliness, but also for efficiency. Modern systems are engineered to minimize water use while maintaining strict food safety standards. After washing, pistachios still contain too much moisture for storage. Drying is one of the most critical steps in the entire process. Large industrial dryers use carefully controlled heat and airflow to reduce moisture content to around 8 to 9%. Sensors constantly monitor temperature and humidity to ensure uniform drying without overheating. Once dried, pistachios are sorted by size, shell condition, and quality using optical scanners and mechanical graders. closed-shell nuts, damaged shells, or defective kernels are separated for different uses. High-grade pistachios are stored in climate-controlled silos before packaging. Depending on the market, nuts may be packaged in bulk bags, vacuum-sealed packs, or consumer-ready containers designed to protect freshness. This final stage ensures that pistachios maintain their crunch flavor and nutritional value from farm to table. While harvest and processing happen fast, pistachio farming itself is a long-term investment. Orchard success begins years earlier with land selection and preparation. California growers favor deep, well-drained soils with a pH between 6 and 8. Raised beds are often used to prevent waterlogging, which pistachio roots cannot tolerate. Before planting, soil is carefully tested and enriched with organic matter to support decades of growth. Pistachio trees grow slowly. Young trees are planted with generous spacing, typically 12 to 15 feet apart, to ensure adequate sunlight and airflow. Unlike annual crops, pistachios require patience. Trees may take 8 to 10 years before producing a commercial harvest and more than 15 years to reach peak productivity. Farmers manage this long timeline through careful pruning, irrigation, and nutrient management. Pistachios are wind-pollinated, not dependent on bees. Male and female trees must be planted in precise ratios to ensure successful pollination each spring. Flower buds form the previous summer bloom in April, and by early summer, the shells begin to harden. Pistachios also follow an alternate bearing pattern, producing heavy crops one year and lighter yields the next. Managing this natural cycle is one of the greatest challenges for growers. From orchard design to advanced harvesting and processing technology, U.S. pistachio farming is a model of large-scale precision agriculture. California's climate, combined with decades of research and innovation, allows farmers to produce pistachios efficiently while maintaining high quality and sustainability. Every pistachio represents years of planning, months of careful management, and a tightly coordinated harvest and processing operation, all working together to deliver one of the world's most popular nuts. From quiet orchards in California's Central Valley to tables around the world, the journey of a pistachio is far more complex than it appears. It is a story of patience, engineering, and agricultural expertise, where tradition and technology meet to feed millions. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at pistachio farming, leave a comment and share what surprised you most. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth documentaries on modern agriculture and global food production.